Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard. Today is day 4 and probably we're going to the sea, but first we're going to a city we have really near here and it's called Monopoli. Yeah, like the game. And let's see what's there basically. Bye, see you there. And we are finally in Monopoli, and for the first day, I guess, we see the sea finally. Okay, no, also in Polignano. Yeah, yes. But finally we are at the sea. We take a swim inside, yeah, probably. And look at this, it looks a perfect spot, FPV. Look at this, I found the perfect spot. Ships, towers, other ships, a castle, and a freaking lighthouse. This is perfect. And of course I'm gonna use this because it's the longest range thing I have. Perfect. I flew FPV and I managed not to lose any drone yet, so that's already a win.
Hi guys, we are here near the castle of Carlo V, and now we are waiting for the lunch. I will test orecchiette with tartare of tuna and salmon and Rimzler.
I have fried cod with, what was that?
Bacala.
Yeah, and like there is burrata and then of course fried fish. Like
always fried. This is the bacala. Hi Rimzler, are you happy for the bacala?
Yeah, let me taste it. So the good stuff arrived. We have fried cod here with burrata mozzarella underneath, and she has some very good orecchiette, which is pasta with tartare on top of it. Are you happy about it?
Too much. Yeah, vengo.
And of course we have the frittura fried calamari. So we are here in the center of Monopoli, we're done eating and we ate a lot, like fried cod, calamari, and she ate orecchiette, pasta. Yeah. And now we are just too full, but we want to try a really good ice cream shop that's around town, and we're gonna go. So as you can see, I flew FPV and I did basically what I was supposed to. I flew that tip right there and then I went all the way down there, followed a motorboat, got all the way back and back here. And I think it came out pretty good. Can't wait to stabilize it. So status update, I flew, now we are going to the car, I leave my stuff inside and then we go to the sea. Because it's freaking hot and it's time for swimming, like in 5 days we yet have to do that, so let's do right now. So, swim taken, now I'm back with the drones. And look at this. Found a skate park on the sea and it's amazing. Update, we swam, we flew, we ate, and now we decided to go on a trip coast to coast to see what the coast offers, because we didn't see much sea up until now. So that's what we are going for. Do you want to say something?
I don't know. I'm very happy for this trip.
Now we're going to Capitolo.
Yes, and I really love Puglia from the first time because it's a region full of food, nature, very good people. Also Rimzler is a good company for to travel. And I'm so happy because it's September and normally I'm
in the university.
Restarting university, sport. Instead, this year, after all these difficult winter, it's 20th September and I'm still at the sea. Hi.
We did the coast to coast, it was with the car, we didn't even hop down the car. And now we got some focaccia, because of course. And now there is the most beautiful sunset. Look at that. Look at that sunset. No, it doesn't show on this camera, but it's amazing. So we are back home finally. I'm gonna fly around the Trullo here. The sunset is gone, sadly, but still I'm gonna fly. And I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Bye!